Optical measuring machines use light to capture images of your part and then use a software to do the evaluation on it. The problem with that is, whenever something with those light setting changes, be it the intensity of the light or the light color, it can be quite challenging to compensate that in your programming.
So if you've ever struggled with finding the correct light settings or had to move an already finished program to a different machine, fortunately, there is a new solution that will make your life a lot easier. On the O-INSPECT VMMs, we are now using something called light linearization. Essentially, this means that we calibrate the systems to provide consistent measurements in different lighting conditions. The system then uses this information to adjust the captured images and ensure accurate measurement results regardless of changes in the lighting conditions. This means it doesn't matter how the conditions around your machine look, which magnification you want to use, the light settings always adapt automatically.
But now that we've talked about it, we can have a look at it. So let me show you how this works in the software.
When we change the zoom level without the light linearization, the illumination settings stay the same. This means the more we zoom in, the darker our image becomes. In this case, we would have to manually adjust the illumination settings to match the respective zoom level. So let's see what happens if we activate the light linearization. If we now change the zoom level, the illumination settings adjust automatically. Manual adjustment of the light settings is no longer necessary. The same is true when we zoom back out again. The light intensity is automatically decreased to ensure proper lighting conditions over every zoom level. This makes the programming much easier and allows for easy transferability between different machines.